We have one question to ask you. What if you can get paid $2 for scrolling through pages, or maybe clicking a button to watch a simple video? Well, what if you can make 50 cents by liking or commenting on a video? Imagine all of that, and then imagine being able to do this on both your computer and your mobile phone. Amazing, right? You only need a few minutes in your day to be able to complete these tasks and earn as much as $65 every single day within minutes. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and a whole lot more ways. This method is fresh and brand new, and not a lot of people have caught on to this method yet. And so, we're going to be teaching you everything that you need to know. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So start this method off, we want you to go on your default browser and then proceed to type in zareclamy.com and hit enter on that. As you can see, make money online on the phone, computer, or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. You can download this on both Android and iOS devices, so you have nothing to worry about that in that area. Turn your time into profit. Some benefits are the flexible solution. Zareclamy is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet wherever you are. You will get paid for your spent time and engagement on the platform. Everything is under control. You can choose how you want to earn money. You can do it by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. And then you collect your profits. By following very simple instructions, just in a month, you can earn up to $150 without any additional taxes and charges. However, there is no limit of your earnings. You set your own working hours, and you can earn more than $150. How can Zareclamy help you? You can actually increase your earnings wherever you are, on the bus, at work, at school, at the hairdresser, or even at the toilet. You can always earn money on Zareclamy. Do not waste your precious time browsing Facebook or other social medias. All you need is a mobile device and access to the internet. You can also set goals, focus on what you're good at and what works best for you. Now, there are 5 ways to earn money on Zareclamy, and each of them is distinguished by a feature that might suit you best. Engagement and your time are key to high earnings. The methods of earning on this website alone would be playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, and online shopping. One website, but a ton of different ways to earn. First, you can select your method of earning. Then you can start earning and leave all the admin stuff to the website. Now, to sign up, just click on registration on the upper right corner, and that should lead you to here. Just provide your email and your password, then click on next step, and then you're going to give your first and last name and hit on registration, and boom, you should find yourself straight into your dashboard. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. As you can see, you'll see your estimated earnings today.
yesterday, in the last 7 days, and for the past month, and also your balance. There are a few things that you need to accomplish before you're able to completely proceed with being able to work. First, you have to verify your email address. So go on your email inbox and find an email just like this one and just hit on verify account, and that should open up a new tab which would then lead you to your verified Zaraklami account. Yay! Now, we want you to click on the earn button, which you can find on the left side of your screen. And here's where you can choose your method of earning. So first, we're going to discuss the first method of earning, and that would be to watch videos. So go ahead and click on the earn button that goes under the watch videos section, and then you should see these two options pop up, but at this time you need to make sure that you're already on your mobile device to be able to choose. Anyway, it will then take you to this page where you just basically click on what's given or what is available, and all you need to do is scroll and move around as much as you possibly can, just so that they know you aren't a bot. And once you've done that and you've been on the page long enough, you've scrolled long enough, boom, your work will be credited and you actually can earn money from that, and that money will be sent into your account right away. Once you're done scrolling around, once you go back to the earn button again that we initially clicked on, you might end up on a random video, and you're going to have to press play and watch the video and make sure that you stay until the timer ends, or else that won't be recorded and credited and you won't earn the money that you're supposed to earn. Then make sure you like the video, share the video, and from that alone, you can also leave a comment, by the way, and from that alone, those three, you can also earn. So at this point, you're already earning from scrolling around a bunch of pages, staying on a page for an amount of time. You're going to earn from that. You're also earning from watching these videos. You can actually adjust the settings, put it to 720 quality and then 4 times speed. In that way, you're going to be watching it so much quicker, and then it will still be recorded and you can earn from that as well. And then you also leave your engagement, so that's liking the video, commenting on the video, clicking on share and copying that link, posting it on forums, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest, wherever, and you're earning just from those three. And actually, those three things, scrolling, watching, leaving an engagement, they all fall under watching videos. So you have 3 different ways on earning under one main way to earn, so which is absolutely incredible.
Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue.
Now, down to our last approach, which would be our bonus approach that we told you about earlier, which is to refer people. So just click on Referral program, which you can find on the left side of the screen again, and that should take you straight to your own unique link. Just copy that link, share it on all social media platforms, and boom, you can earn as much money as you possibly can on complete autopilot. You could be earning half of what your referrals are earning whenever they pay out, which is just absolutely insane, and that is everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.